Question is, if square root of v by u plus square root of u by v equal to 6, then dv by du equal to. First simplify the given question. See, square root of v by u plus square root of u by v equal to 6 is there. Squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides means square root of v by u plus square root of u by v whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square equal to 6 square. Now apply a plus b whole square formula. You will get a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So a square, that is square root of v by u whole square plus b square means square root of u by v whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into square root of v by u into square root of u by v, and equal to 6 square. You will get 36. In the next step, see, square and square root get cancels. Here you will get v by u plus here you will get u by v and plus 2 into, see, v by u and u by v square root of, you will get 1, right? This term get cancels. Square root of 1 into 2, that is 1 into 2 equal to 2 equal to 36. Simplify this one, you will get v by u plus u by v equal to 34. Now LCM is uv, right? uv is the LCM. Here u is there, so multiply v, you will get v square plus here see v is there, so multiply u, you will get u square equal to 34. If you simplify this one, you will get v square plus u square equal to 34 into uv. Okay, in the next step, see, we want dv by du. That means differentiate v with respect to u. Okay, differentiating v with respect to u. Differentiation of v square with respect to u is v square is 2v into dv divided by du. Why dv by du? You are differentiating v with respect to u, plus differentiation of u square with respect to u is 2u only, 2u equal to, taking 34 outside, uv formula. Okay, uv formula means u into differentiation of dv by du plus v into differentiation of u with respect to u equal to 1 itself. Clear? U into differentiation of v with respect to u, that is dv by du, plus v into differentiation of u with respect to u is 1. So again simplify this one, you will get 2v into dv by du plus 2u equal to 34 into u into dv by du plus v is there. From here take 2 outside. If you take 2 outside, you'll get 2 into v into dv by du plus u equal to 34 into u into dv by du plus v. 2 ones are 2 17s are. So remaining term is v into dv by du plus u equal to 17 u into dv by du plus 17 v. We want dv by du, right? So rearrange this one, you will get v into dv by du minus 17u into dv by du equal to 17v minus u. Just rearranging the terms. From here take dv by du outside, you will get v minus 17u equal to 17v minus u, and keeping dv minus dv by du in outside, then shift this term to right hand side, you will get 17v minus u divided by v minus 17u is remaining. Or we can rewrite it as dv divided by du equal to, from here take minus sign outside, minus of, you can write u minus 17v, okay, divided by, from here you can take minus sign outside, you will get 17u minus v. So minus minus get cancels, you will get u minus 17v divided by 17u minus v. According to the options, you can rearrange the answer. Okay, so answer is 17v minus u by v minus 17u, or you can write it as u minus 17v divided by 17u minus v.